Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this pool floaty paint kit. So this paint kit is going to come with the cutout, and you'll get to choose your size. We have 4 options: the paint and the brushes, and then you have the option of adding on the Sharpie brush stroke marker. So I went in and base coated my Flamingo in the light pink, and I'm going to brush in some of this darker pink on the edges. And then I'm just going to blend that in. And don't be afraid of blending, guys. Just blend, blend, blend until you're happy with the way it looks. And I'll also, you can go back in with a little bit of the lighter pink if you feel like the darker pink got in some areas you didn't want it. And now I'm going to go in with this orange and paint his nose or beak, whatever you'd want to call it. And I went in and dried him a little bit, and now I'm going to outline everything. So I'm outlining with a number 4 round in the black paint. This is where you could swap over for the Sharpie brushstroke marker if you chose to. Once I'm done outlining, I'll go in with that same brush, number 4 round, smallest brush in the pack, and some white paint and highlight. And then that completes my project. I hope you guys enjoy this kit and have a great day.